Good afternoon, Howard Middle School students. This is AP Henson here. As you can see, we're having some pretty interesting weather today. It is imperative that you all walk with a purpose once the bell rings from one class to the next, and that you do so by walking. I do not want to see any running. I want everyone under the awning. That means that covering, and I want everyone walking. The sidewalks are going to be slick, and to avoid injury and to avoid potentially knocking into someone or in hurting someone else, it is imperative that everyone is walking and that you have all of your objects, your hands, feet, backpack, your backpack, your purses, your bags, gym bags, instruments for band. Everything needs to be on your person, and you need to move quickly, but move in an orderly fashion by walking so that we can get you safely from one class to the next and avoid conflict and, most importantly, avoid injury while you're here at school. As always, it is important, especially on days like this, to be responsible, respectful, and ready here at Howard Middle School. To end with a quote, the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. And that quote is brought to us by H. Jackson Brown. As always, have a great day. Go Bulls.
Each year, Hispanic Heritage Month is celebrated from September 15th until October 15th. This is a time to celebrate the identities, cultures, and history tracing back to the Spanish-speaking countries of Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. In Miss Otero's class, we're doing a lot of tongue twisters. Here's a very popular one.
Pepe pena, pela papa, pica pena, pica and pico, pica pena, pela papa, pepe pena.
Pepe peña pela papa, pico un pito, Pepe peña pela papa.
Hey Bulls, I'm Samuel Drada and I was born in Colombia. The colors I'm wearing for Hispanic Heritage Month is yellow, blue, and red. Hola a todos, soy Samuel Drada y nací en Colombia. Para el mes de la herencia hispana me voy a poner amarillo, azul y rojo.
Good morning, Bulls. My name is Alex Perez Redner and I am from Puerto Rico. I will be wearing red, white, and blue on this Friday for Hispanic Heritage Month.
My name is Isabella Valiente and I'm from El Salvador. I'm going to be wearing dark blue and white on Friday for Hispanic Heritage Month.
Hey Bulls!
I'm Sayara.
I'm Druvi. And I'm Kieran, and we're all fans board members.
Come this Thursday on the 2 patios to try unique fruits
and learn about their benefits.
I hope to see you Bulls all day to try some unique foods. And as
always,
go Bulls!
Are you interested in buying a yearbook? They start at $30 and raise throughout the year. You can pre-order your yearbook at yearbookordercenter.com. Go Bulls!